Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are finally here on behalf of the chairman, principal, vice principal, management of Sunrise Elementary Public School staff and students. I take this grand opportunity to welcome our eminent program inaugurator, guest of honor, respect and hostel and food committee members, friends and family to our 8th annual function of our institution. Believes that today's education is tomorrow's future of the child. We intend to own the inherent skills and personalities of the children. We make them globally competitive without burdening their brave, innocent minds. After spending a lot of time thinking about that beautiful, shimmering image of the school, the stunning, successful inspiration flaunts that our institution group is now one of the largest community of the schools delivering best educated communication through their services to the children and therefore the society. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your presence here. And remember, your encouragement are what will make your children cheerful. So please make sure parents, you keep cheering all the children after every program. All the members of Sunrise Elementary Public School are requested to be on the stage for the school anthem. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are all like a big family. Our staff, teachers, and every member of Sunrise Elementary Public School work together to be compassionate, enthusiastic, and make an excellent contribution to your children and get them beyond their toes. Thank you so much. I now give the floor upon the principal name of their Amir Naseem to please take the vote. Please, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the shining star of Sunrise Elementary Public School.